Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have your numbers. Start now. In a blank cell, decide how you want them joined and what delimiter to use. Use text to lock each number's display, for example, text A1 0 0 0 for 2 decimals or text A1 $##0 0 0 for currency. Once done, combine the formatted pieces. This avoids losing decimals or currency symbols. Make sure to place the formula where you want the combined result, because that cell will show the final merged value. Now you perform the core combination. For multiple cells, wrap each in text and call text join equals text join, true text A1 0, 0 0 text A2 0, 0 0 text A3 0, 0 0. If you have many cells, use an array equals text join, true if A1 A10 text A1 A10 0, 0 0, and enter as a normal formula in modern Excel. This preserves formatting, respects blank cells, and gives you a single text string representing all numbers exactly as shown. Finish by converting the formula to a fixed value. Copy the combined cell and paste special values. This prevents accidental changes. If formatting looks wrong, confirm each text format string matches your desired decimals or currency. Change 0, 0 0 to 0 or $##0, 0 0 as needed. If you see unexpected blanks or hash value errors, make sure source cells are numeric or non-empty. Convert stray text numbers with value or re-enter them so text can format them correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.